is up, guys? Welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. Kind of a random video, just basically a shop day. Gotta do a couple things, clean the ram wheels, get the ram cleaned up so I could take some pictures, post it up for sale, make sure the backhoe is good because it's supposed to snow in a couple days, and yeah, whatever comes along. So let's get to it. I did the front wheels the other day. Came out looking sweet. Here's a little before on both sides. Clean up the stack.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet.
Alright, just finished up giving this side a quick hand polish. Looks pretty good. Got the new caps on there. It's not perfect, but they got pretty good reflection for a quick hand polish. Time to do the other side now. This side done now, looking pretty dang good. Time to clean up the exhaust and go from
Moves
there.
won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than...
We got the stack looking a whole lot better. Definitely far from perfect, but looks a lot better now. Go start the backhoe. Hopefully it starts pretty chilly out. Perfect. Gonna let it run for a little bit, then pull it inside. Tossing the stock tires just in the front, just for extremely temporary. These tires are kind of bold, so I got 2 new ones back here. Oh, kind of hard to see, things filthy, but whatever. Got 2 new ones back there, gonna go get those mounted, but just gotta take the wheels off, toss the stocks on so I can still drive the car around. I gotta switch one of those jacks with that one because the car's pretty damn low, so let's get it.
Last year, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
This is so ugly. It's like a freaking dually setup now. These things are so much easier to load up than big truck wheels. So nice and light. Alrighty, so I'm going to, as you see, it's broken. I don't know if you saw earlier in the videos. If you guys noticed, I opened it from the inside. This window is gone. So we are gonna fix this door handle. I got all the parts right here that I think I need, hopefully, to fix this. So then I can have a window again. Alrighty, now we got it opening and closing with the button. Cleaned all that with some brake cleaner and then WD-40. Time to put this little cover back on there. I'll bolt it in a second and figure out where all these little miscellaneous bolts go to, mounting the window back up. Alright, got the window down. First thing I'm gonna do, put this rubber gasket around the window. Then figure out how to bolt it onto these little hinges. There's one here and one up there.
What's right? Push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall. I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I'm being chewed up, spit out, torn apart from picking up.
All right, now got the gasket, seal, whatever you want to call it, on all the way around. Take this little bolt. Goes up there. Then gotta get a Allen head, remove this piece from the old window and put it on the bottom hole of that.
All the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step.
Alright, put this the stopper, whatever I don't know. So now it clicks in, works. This window's brand new and it looks like nothing but old. It's been sitting up there for like 3 years, so time to put this handle on there and call it a day. Has a window now. Got the window all done up, cleaned it up so it actually looks brand new. That'll be it for the backhoe. Now time to go put the wheels back on the Mazda. I got the new tires installed.
Today, I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Alright, wheels are back on. Looks way better. Alright, sorry about the heater noise in the background, but that'll be it for today's video. Sorry about the short video, but just a little random day video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be working more on the LML on our next video. Peace.